Hello dear, this is Eyelashes. Today I will introduce the eyeliner to you guys. We have different tubes for you. The short ones, long ones, diamond ones, and with a diamond. We can customize it just like this. We also can make the adhesive eyeliner and magnetic eyeliner, also the normal eyeliner for you guys. We can use this eyeliner pen to wear the lashes directly. Let me show you how to use the eyeliner pen. Firstly, to draw the eyeliner on our eye. Okay. Now wait a moment. Let's to wear the lashes directly. Press it several times to make it a little strong on our eye.